Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Iowa Bankers mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite straightforward. First of all, launch open your preferred web browser. Inside the URL box, type in MyIBMCLoan and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll end up in the official website for Iowa Bankers Mortgage Corporation. Go to the top right corner of the screen and mouse over the login option. Now, to access your mortgage, click on MyIBMCLoan. On the next page, you will come across the sign-in portal for IBMCLoan. In order to access your account, you will need to type in your username and then your password. Enter your credentials correct in the respective text boxes. If you're having trouble remembering your credentials, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link at the bottom of the pop-up. Click on I agree after typing in the correct information and click Login, which will then log you into your Iowa Bankers mortgage account online. After you are logged in, you can check your balance, make a payment, or review your account information. Once you're logged in, you will be provided with the necessary tools. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.